Good afternoon, all of you. Today we have seen sixth chapter, that is mechanical design of transmission line. Today, today's lecture we have seen what is meant by sag, and second point is a calculation of sag. First, we have seen what is meant by a sag. While erecting an overhead line, it is very important that conductors are under safe tension. If conductors are too much stretched between supports, the conductor may break due to excessive tension. ओव्हरहेड लाईन करताना कंडक्टर सेफ टेन्शनमध्ये असावे लागतात. हे फार महत्त्वाचे आहे. कंडक्टरमध्ये फार स्ट्रेस आला तर तो ब्रेक होऊ शकतो. In order to permit safe tension in the conductor, they are not fully stretched but are allowed to have a sag. कंडक्टरमध्ये सेफ टेन्शन देण्याकरता ते फुल्ली स्ट्रेच करत नाही, पण त्यांना सॅग करतात. Now we have seen definition of sag. The difference in level between points of supports, this is A and B points of supports, and lowest point on the conductor, this is conductor O. The difference between the points of supports and lowest point on the conductor is called as a sag. It is denoted by capital S. म्हणजे सपोर्ट मधील पॉइंट आणि कंडक्टरचा लोएस्ट पॉइंट यामधील जो डिफरन्स आहे त्याला सॅग असे म्हणतात. Here figure shows conductor suspended between two equilateral supports, that is A and B. The conductor is not fully stretched but is allowed to have a dip. The lowest point on the conductor is O and the sag is S. Support मधील फिगरमध्ये A and B हे दोन सपोर्टचे पॉइंट आहेत आणि ते फुल्ली स्ट्रेचड नाही आहेत. कंडक्टरचा O हा लोएस्ट पॉइंट आहे. ठीक आहे. नाउ वी हॅव सीन कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ सॅग. इन overhead line, sag should be so adjusted that tension in the conductor is within safe limit. The tension is governed by conductor. First one is a weight, effect of wind, ice loading and temperature variation. We shall now calculate the sag and tension of the conductor when supports are at equal level and when supports are at unequal level. Today's lecture we have seen when supports are at equal level. Consider a conductor between two equilateral supports, that is A and B, with O as a lowest point as shown in figure. It can be proved that lowest point will be at mid span. Let L is a length of span, W is weight per unit length of conductor, T is a tension in the conductor. Consider point P on the conductor, the sag Y at point P at a distance x from the lowest point O is given by Y is equal to Wx square upon 2t. This is first equation. The maximum sag is represented by the value of Y at either support A and B. Consider at support A, so x is equal to L by 2 and Y is equal to S. Put these x and Y in equation 1. So sag S is equal to W L by 2 square upon 2t. So we got sag S is equal to W L square upon 8